Hello, Panthers. Cypress Lake High School has been filled with renewed energy this week as we welcomed our teachers back on campus. We've been busy planning and preparing for our students to return on Monday, August 31st. Next week, on Thursday, August 27th, we'll be hosting our virtual open house. On the 27th, please go to our website. You will have access to the links that provide you information about administration, teachers, clubs and activities, transportation, sports, spirit gear, and so many other helpful links. You'll have the ability to click on each teacher's name and see their Google Classroom codes, class syllabus, supply lists, and a welcome video from that teacher. Also on the 27th, from 5:30 p.m. to 7 p.m., each teacher will be available through a live Zoom link in their Google Classroom. It is not required, but if you or your parents want to drop in and out of classrooms, just as you would if you were here on a regular in-person open house night, please take a few minutes to do so. You can now access your student schedule through the Focus system. We are very excited to see everyone. So go in, pull your student schedule, join your grade level Google Classroom because that's a real big vehicle for communication, and we'll see you on the 27th. All day, those slides will be available on our website for teachers, and then the live meet and greet will be available between 5:30 and 7 p.m., and each Zoom link will be in each teacher's Google Classroom. Go Panthers! We can't wait to see you soon.